I just finished watching K-pop Demon Hunters, and wow, it was so good.
Yeah, I didn't expect it to be that fun. It had action, music, and a really nice story.
I loved how the girls were K-pop idols and demon hunters at the same time.
Right? That idea was so creative. I never saw anything like that before.
My favorite was Rumi. She was brave, but also really kind.
I liked Mira. She was quiet, but super strong.
And Zoe was funny. I loved how she made jokes even during the fights.
Yeah, she made the story lighter. It wasn't too serious, which I liked.
The colors were amazing. Everything was bright, pink, purple, blue.
Yeah, it looked like a music video mixed with an action movie.
And the songs, I can't get them out of my head.
Same here. That one line, "We fight together, shine forever," keeps playing in my mind.
I think that line really shows the movie's message.
Yeah, teamwork and friendship. That's what it's all about.
I liked how they always helped each other, no matter what.
It made me think about my own friends. We don't fight demons, but we do support each other.
That's true. Everyone has their own kind of demons, right?
Yeah, like fear, stress, or feeling not good enough.
And this movie reminds us to be brave and keep going.
Exactly. It's not just about fighting, it's about believing in yourself.
I didn't think a K-pop movie could make me emotional, but it did.
Same. It had fun moments, but also some touching ones.
The part when Rumi stood alone to protect her friends, that was powerful.
Yeah, that scene gave me chills. She was so brave.
I also loved how Seoul looked at night. The lights were beautiful.
It made me want to visit Korea someday.
Me too. The city looked full of life.
I think the movie had great energy, colorful, fast, but also warm.
Yeah, it made me feel happy and inspired.
Would you watch it again?
Of course. Maybe next weekend.
Let's do that. We can make popcorn and sing along with the songs.
Good idea. I need to practice the dance moves first.
Same here. Maybe we can learn one of the routines.
That would be fun. I love movies that make you feel good like this.
Yeah, it was more than just entertainment. It had a real message.
Be brave, be yourself, and never give up.
Exactly. That's the kind of movie I want to watch again.